Let's get reacquainted. Even that's hard for me to say. Who am I? What do I do? It's probably one of the questions that most of you ask, and there's so many new people on the platform, on my channels, that I kind of want to represent myself as to whom I am. So let's start. My name is Romain Avril, this is how you say it, and I'm a chef from France. I was born and raised there, and I've been cooking since the age of 13. 13 years is also how long I've been in Canada and in Toronto especially. I moved there from the UK, where I worked for about 4 years in a 2 Michelin-star restaurant, as well as other beautiful nearby. In Toronto, I ran and opened many restaurants, and my ultimate goal was to open my own, which almost happened after the pandemic. I tried to open another one, but sadly it didn't work out with partnerships. So as most of us, I had to pivot and find new work within the hospitality industry that would fit my craft and my skills. Although you may think all I do is social media, this is really just the top of the iceberg. I do wear many hats and not just the one from my own brand, so let's get to it. Here's kind of the services I do offer right now in 2024. First one, obviously, cooking related, private exclusive dinner. Whether I'm gonna craft a menu based on cuisine or something you can leave me carte blanche, this is something that I offer. Same thing with consulting. With consulting, it can go anywhere from just changing a menu at a restaurant or literally open them up when we don't even have a name for them. Restaurants or any food industry related businesses. I'm also a professor at George Brown College, where I do part-time teaching. You can also find me on the radio on CBC Radio Canada from time to time, as well as on TV. Of course, social media is still a big part of my daily life. Another thing that I do that most people don't know, I'm a food and prop stylist. I have done major cookbooks, including my own, and also I've done it on like TV sets. Working with brands is also something I love, whether it's doing demonstration, where I will teach people how to cook. Demonstration, teaching, all of that is really good when you work with corporate company. And lastly, cannabis. Yes, I've been working with cannabis for about 3 years now, under my mentor, Chef Jordan Wagman, who's been helping me kind of like carving through a new way of cooking with cannabis. We're talking about health and wellness, as well as high-end cooking. On that note, it's a great time to announce my second cookbook, which will be around cannabis. If you require any of these services, feel free to send me an email or a DM and we can talk further. And in the meantime, I wish you a happy new year.